once my auntie said I was wearing a Minecraft shirt. So she's like, "Is that Roblox shirt?" No. I think there was like some mobs. So imagine this is a chicken. Is that okay? So you're saying that a literal blocky figure, every blocky figure for you is a Minecraft. No, I mean Roblox. Oh, Roblox figures aren't always blocky. Like this. Is this blocky to you? No. So, yeah, that's a Minecraft shirt. Yeah, that's a Minecraft shirt, not a Roblox. Bye.